The Tesla Model S Plaid is a high-performance electric luxury sedan produced by Tesla Incorporated. It features a tri-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers exceptional acceleration, with a combined output of 1,020 horsepower. This allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 1.99 seconds under optimal conditions, making it one of the quickest production cars in the world. The top speed of the Model S Plaid is around 200 miles per hour, though this may vary slightly based on wheel configuration and road conditions. The estimated range on a full charge is about 396 miles, depending on driving habits and environmental conditions. It uses Tesla's proprietary battery technology and is compatible with Tesla's supercharger network, which enables fast charging for long-distance travel. Inside, the Model S Plaid is equipped with a minimalist yet advanced interior design. It includes a 17-inch central touchscreen display with high-resolution graphics, a secondary screen for rear passengers, and a digital instrument cluster behind the steering yoke. The car also includes a tri-zone climate control system, premium audio system with 22 speakers, and over-the-air software updates that improve features and performance over time. The steering system uses a yoke-style control instead of a traditional round steering wheel, which has been a subject of both interest and criticism. The cabin provides spacious seating for up to 5 passengers, with ventilated front seats and optional heated rear seats. Materials used in the interior include vegan leather upholstery and sustainable trim accents. In terms of safety, the Model S Plaid includes features such as automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a suite of active safety systems powered by Tesla's full self-driving (FSD) hardware. While the FSD software is still in development and subject to regulatory approval, it includes features like Navigate on Autopilot, Auto Lane Change, Auto Park, and Traffic Light and Stop Sign Control. The Model S Plaid rides on an adaptive air suspension system that provides both comfort and performance handling. Wheel options typically include 19-inch Tempest wheels for maximum range or 21-inch Arachnid wheels for enhanced aesthetics and grip. The car also features performance brakes, torque vectoring, and a low center of gravity due to the underfloor battery pack. Overall, the Tesla Model S Plaid is positioned as a flagship electric sedan that combines cutting-edge technology, extreme performance, and everyday usability, appealing to drivers seeking both luxury and innovation. Subscribe my channel for more amazing videos.